Hi everyone, I'm Huangyu, a fifth-year grad student working in particle theory at the University of Washington. But I think the best thing, you always have something new coming up every day, and you chat with people about them and understand new things, and you're learning new things. So I think that's the best part, and it's really motivating myself to continue. You can always say the most direct effect is your research experience in college, but for me, it's more than that. For me, I really enjoy chatting with people, especially chatting with your physics teachers, chatting with your professors in college, after school, after class. And I realized I just learned so much more from them. And I realized physics is so much more fun and it's well beyond what you can learn from all the textbooks, from doing problems. But you really have to think about the world, think about the physics in the same way that the best physicists think about them, and such that you can really enjoy it and you will have a very different perspective. And that will motivate you to dream big, to think big, and do some exciting things. Some of the things that I'm currently working on is try to discover new dark matter particles using new techniques such as astrophysical observations and cosmological observations. Next, I'm going to answer questions from camps in Parkside. Nick wants to know what physics can help us with. It's a really big question, and I really don't have the best answer for it. For me, physics is a tool to understand the universe. People's experience with physics is that you can never predict in next 10 years, 100 years, 1,000 years, what you can do with it. Now we are studying the universe. Maybe in the future we are traveling the universe, and maybe we want to use our solar power, maybe we want to use the power from the black hole. You never know, but you want to be prepared. So I think that's the best thing you can hope with physics. Aliyah wants to know what is antimatter. Antimatter is very abstract. We never seen them perhaps, but it's actually very close, very similar to us. What regular matter is basically just everything around us, and this is the basic ingredients of our universe. Antimatter is the same with us. It's like a copy of us, but if you meet with them, you will release all of your energy and emit photons. So you will be destroyed. And antimatter, we don't have much antimatter around, and that's why we are here. That's why we can exist. That's why we are here to ask those questions. Oh, what is antimatter? And for some reason that we cannot understand for now, there is more matter than antimatter, and that is the very reason we are here to study the universe. And this is a very fundamental puzzle in theoretical physics, and this is also a branch of my research to try to address this question. So Julia wants to know, is my job cool? And it's cool in the sense that when people ask you, oh, what are you doing? And you're saying, oh, I'm doing physics. And then people say, oh, it's so hard, it's so cool, oh, you're a physicist. But to me, physics is just like, it's more like ordinary, because you are doing this every day, and it feels like you know what you're doing and you know what you're gonna do. It's almost like just a normal job. You just work on this, you're also ordinary person, and you're just doing something different. So for me, yes, physics is cool if you talk to somebody else, but physics is just something you have to do, you really enjoy, and you want to make progress. You have a very strong motivation to see the deepest secret of the universe. So Aiden wants to know, am I close to a breakthrough? And the answer is no, and it's always no. One fun thing about breakthrough is that you never know if a breakthrough will come, otherwise it won't be a breakthrough. So you always study different things, and there might be some surprises. If you know there is a surprise, then it's never going to be a breakthrough. The universe is just so much fun. Physics, it's so much fun. And people might think, oh, physics is not my thing, it's so hard, it's so abstract. But to me, it's just like ordinary job. You just get more exposure, you get more experience, and you will discover a whole new world. I really enjoyed chatting with you. Thanks for joining me.